Welcome everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create a composite rate directly within your estimate. To begin with, let's say we're adding an item in our estimate, exterior brickwork. We're going to specify its type and unit right here. Now, for the magic part, we'll click on the rate field, select the drop-down menu and choose the option Composite. This action will navigate us to a new subsection where we will name our rate, useful for future references. Next, we'll set up the top level items for our composite rate, which includes the brickwork material and labour. Just like the parent item, we're going to convert the rate for brickwork material into a composite. Here we can enter the quantities and rates for the sand, bricks, and damp course. For better organisation, we can name this level for later usage. Should you need to go back to the previous step, you can simply click on the breadcrumb. Now, we will proceed with setting up the items and quantities for the labour component of the brickwork. And of course, name the rate. Navigating through the levels of the composite is a breeze. Simply use a breadcrumb or click on the rate of the item. Once all the details are in place, click on Estimate to return to the main estimate page. And voila, your overall rate is displayed. All you need to do now is provide a quantity to get an overall total cost. This powerful feature is just a glimpse of what CostMiner has to offer. For more information and to learn about all the amazing features of CostMiner, do get in touch with us. Until then, happy cost mining.